Hello, you are welcome to Erica Style. Today I'll be showing you how to make avocado seed oil for your hair and skin. Yeah guys, this is the avocado we'll be using to do this avocado seed oil. But before we proceed, I want to give a big shout out to Discovering Natural. Yes, it was in her channel that I saw the video for the first time and I was like, I'm going to try it out, and I did, and the result was amazing, and I was like, I'm going to share it with my community here so that you guys can see what I'm up to. Yeah, and in my house we eat a lot of avocado, and today we are going to deal with these four. Okay, yeah, I've dealt with one already. So we are going to enjoy this today, all of them, and I separate the seed from the avocado, trying to bring out the flesh. Yeah, the flesh or the fruit itself, separating it from the skin, because we are going to need the skin too. And at the end of the day, this is what we've got: the skin and the seed. I'm going to just lay them on this plate and allow it to dry with the sun. Yeah, I've ate one before, so I just added a seed to it. So we've got 5 seeds of avocado, and I'm going to let it sit at the window side to dry it with natural sun. And at the end of 5 days, this is what we have. I dried it for 5 days, and this is what we've got: the seed, the skin, all of them put together. And I'm going to go ahead to remove the skin of the avocado seed, and when I do that, I'm going to chop it into small pieces, then we proceed from there. Yeah, I want to know if whether you've used avocado seed oil. Yeah, because I know many people have been using avocado oil. I want to know if whether you've used the seed. If you've not, this video is for you. And if you have, I want you to let me know what your experience or what you think about this oil in the comment section. And I got a container that has a tight cover, and I placed my avocado seed in it. Alright, and now I'm going to get some of the avocado skin, because I'll be using some of them. I'll be breaking it into pieces, and I'll be adding it to the avocado seed. And here I've got almond seed oil. Okay, almond seed oil. Almendra is in Spanish, so when I'm calling almendra, so almond, they are the same thing. Okay. Yeah, and this oil, I've been using this oil as my skincare oil. So when I saw it on Discovering Natural channel, she said she has been using this oil as her skincare oil. I was like, wow. Yeah, this oil has been my body lotion for years. Okay, just this oil, I'm not adding anything, just the almond seed oil has been my skincare. So I'm super excited. When I saw the video, I was like, this is what I would love to do. Okay, and I'm doing it. Thank you so much, sis, for making that video. And I used 4 cups because I want to have enough oil for myself and for my girls. We are going to be using it for our hair and myself, my skin. Yeah, so I've got my boiling water. I boiled this water already and it's quite hot, so I'm going to just place the oil on the water, let it just sit there. Okay, and I covered it I left it for 5 good days. Yeah, I left it for 5 good days because I want the almond oil and the avocado seeds to infuse well. So after 5 good days, this is what we've got. Oh my god, check out the color, guys. This is super amazing. The color is like this greenish somehow color, and I'm going to sieve it. And after sieving it, I noticed it has some brown particles inside. Okay, so I'm going to get my face wipe to sieve it so that I can sieve out the brown particles so that I can have a clear green color avocado seed oil. Yeah, guys, this is the oil we've got. I'm super excited filming this video and sharing it with you guys. And I went ahead to use it on my hair that same day. Okay, that same day I started trying it, and ever since that day, that is my correct oil I'm using. You guys know I did a video on how to make aloe vera oil. Yeah, I still have that one. It's very, very nice, but now it's on hold. This is what I'm using. I'm going to use this till it's all till I finished it. Yeah, this is my go oil at the moment, you know, with this weather. Okay, and I'm loving it so much. I just finished washing my hair. You guys know my hair has been on a journey. Okay, it has been on a journey. I've been using so many natural things on my hair, and it has been getting better and better and better. Okay, you can check out my other videos on what I've been doing with my hair. Yeah, I've been doing a lot with my hair. I've been using so many max oil shampoo. Okay, and you know, it has been from one level of growth to another. Yeah, guys, you can see how my hair is shining with the oil. I'm loving it. Seriously, I'm loving it. I've been using it for weeks now, and it has been amazing. It has been amazing. It has been amazing. You can see my edge. I'm trying to massage the oil on my edge, you know, so that it can get inside and let all the hairs in there start coming out. Yeah, guys, and when I'm done, you know, you can see my palm. I use the one on my palm to massage into my skin. Guys, this is amazing. I can literally feel the oil on my face. You know, it was really a beautiful experience. Okay, I was like, this is good. I'm gonna, you know, apply it there. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys in my next. Thank you.